In this session, we are going to see about the types of networks in computer networks. So, the topics we are going to cover are what is a network, types of network, and comparison between the three networks. So, networks. What is a network? Collection of computers and devices connected via communication devices and transmission media. That is the collection of connection between computer and other communication devices through a transmission media is called network. Networks can be classified by geographical area they cover. Three types of networks. One is LAN, local area network. Second one is MAN, metropolitan area network. And third one is WAN, wide area network. What is LAN? Network in limited geographical area such as home or office building. So the network that is placed in a limited area, small area, we can call it as LAN. LAN covers small region of space, typically a single building, school or a home. So advantages of LAN. LAN allows sharing of expensive resources such as laser printers and high capacity, high speed mass storage devices among a number of users. LAN allows high-speed exchange of essential information between key people in an organization. If properly managed, this will provide greater efficiency and productivity. Through LAN, one can store all critical data at a central place and many users can then access the work on this data. Since data can be stored centrally, you can take the backup of all important files daily on tapes or hard disk drives. So these are the advantages of LAN. Sharing of resources, sharing of essential informations, sharing of critical data and sharing of data stored in the central system. So these are the advantages of LAN. And disadvantages of LAN. LAN software requires memory space in each of the computers used on a network. About 20% of the computer's memory will be needed to manage the network interface. This reduces the memory space available for users' programs. LAN adds another level of complexity to the computer operation. Users may have difficulty in learning the network commands. Some control on the part of a user is lost. For example, suppose you have to share a printer with other users, then you can face a situation where the entire network suddenly locking up because of one user has made a mistake. So these are the disadvantages of LAN. The first one is requires lot of memory space and adds another level of complexity in computer operation. Then the control of the part of a user is lost. That is, if one user makes any mistake on a particular resource, so the total network will be shut down. And another disadvantage of LAN is LAN has security problems. Some types of security system must be implemented for protecting data because all the systems are interconnected. So anyone can easily take the data from another system. So we are in need of implementing some security system for protecting our data. Then MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is a data network intended to serve an area approximately that of a large city. So LAN is made for a room and MAN is made for a large city. Such networks are being implemented by techniques like running fiber cables through subway tunnels and satellites. So popular example of MAN is SDBS, Switched Multi-Megabit Data Service. So what is Wide Area Network, WAN? Network that covers large geographic area using many types of media. And internet is world's largest WAN. So we can call internet also a WAN, the world's largest WAN. So what is internet? Network of networks. So it can be a collection of LANs or WANs or a mix of two with very large geographical area. For instance, a country or even beyond the border, one or two more countries. Dedicated transoceanic cabling or satellite uplinks may be used to connect this type of network. Then comparison between the three types of computer networks. Criteria: LAN, MAN and WAN. Cost: LAN low, MAN high, WAN higher. Network size: LAN small, MAN larger and WAN largest. And speed: LAN fast, MAN is somewhat slower and WAN is slowest. Transmission media type: LAN is made up of twisted pair cables and MAN twisted pair and fiber optic cables, and WAN fiber optic, radio wave and satellite. And number of computers: for LAN it's the smallest number of computers and MAN large and WAN the largest. Thank you.